All right, guys. So welcome to this live last minute FOMC report. So we're going to look to see exactly what's going to happen here in regards to the FOMC results. I'm just going to open Elion. I hope you have a great day. So we're going to look to see exactly what's going to happen here on FOMC. So I'm going to open the news calendar. So this is the countdown. So after the countdown, I will go on the charts and see exactly what does DXY will do. So in about, what's it called here? We still have 5 seconds left. So we're expecting to go bullish here. So we have should see a cut rate. So we should see the price to go way down. We do have a gap here right now. So let me. All right. So we have the cut rate 425. So that's perfect. So that's what we expected. So let's go back on DXY and we'll see how everything goes here. So this is DXY. So right now we have a sell, but it gapped down. But you should be expecting to have the price going higher here. So this is DXY. We'll also look at US 30. So US 30 here is going up. So all of the indices should be going up right now. And that's exactly what we're seeing here. So the DXY should be going down for a little bit. And we'll start to reverse. Gold is going down right now. So if gold is going down, that means that DXY should be going up here eventually, guys. So right now that was a stop hunt in the market. So there was a lot of people that already took their buy position here for the news event because we were expecting to have the rate to be cut. But like I said, if we already know the news, you just have to sell the news. Okay, so that's why you have a sell here. But eventually it will gap up and start to reverse in the upside. All right. So I just went to take out some liquidity here at the bottom and will eventually go up. All right, so it's only for visual purposes, guys. I'm not taking any trades. I'm just looking to see exactly what is going on. And after that, the next days, you should have a retracement here in the upside for DXY for the continuation here in the upside. So we'll be here for maybe the next 20 minutes, 25 minutes. So if there's anything that you want me to look at, that'll be good too. But that's what I was wanted to see exactly what to ask to see exactly if the price was going to go down, and that's what I was expecting here. Even though it's basically good news. That was supposed to be expected. So anyone that took a buy here at FOMC at the start of FOMC, they got wrecked right now. So all of their stop loss were hit because I'm pretty sure they put their stop loss here at a previous level. So if I open at the high low level is already open. So if you see, you have multiple levels here. So I'm pretty sure they put their stop loss here at previous levels right here. But as you could see, it just did a big gap here at the bottom. But if we're looking at the US 30, still bullish. So the trend is still valid here. So we had the US 30 buy here since this morning, since New York open. So that was still valid. Same thing for Russell 2000. Because of the news, I got off that Russell 2000 trade, but because you couldn't take a position here before news, so you have to get out of that trade. We have a buy here on Nasdaq after the sell-off of this morning. Same thing for US SSP 500. And if we look at the DAX, DAX is pushing in the upside here. So all of the indices here are going up. Gold is going up right now after that big wick that was created here. So you just grab liquidity. You never switch for a sell and then started to go up here. All right. So we'll see exactly if it's going to break out those previous channels here in the upside. Those are 30 minutes higher time frame support and resistance, previous support and resistance. So that's good. And let's look at DXY again. Oops. So let's look at DXY. So DXY currently it's going to close as a sell trend, but I'm expecting to have it going a little bit higher. But we may have a continuation here in the downtrend because gold seems to be stronger than the US. So we may continue in the downside. All right. So not really surprised of what happened here today for FOMC. So is there any alert lately? No, there's not alert. No alert at this time. I think I forgot to put the schedule for the alert. So I'll add that to the Discord. But the alerts window is about an hour and a half only. Okay. So you have Asian session that is from 8 p.m. my time. I'll put the actual local time for Japanese time standard time. So I have everything standard time for the local time. So for Asian session, it's from 9 a.m. Japanese standard time until 10:30 a.m. Japanese standard time. Then you have London, that is from 8 a.m. local time and you have until 9:30 local time. So for me, it's like from 3 to 4:30. And finally, you have a New York session here that is from 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until I put it until 11:30, but I'll change it until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But usually the window is 2 hours, 1.5 hours to 2 hours window. So, for example, for now, we don't have any alerts at all. After the New York session open, we're done for the day. Not taking no signals or no nothing. So that's why it's gauging. If you're trading New York and London, you should be on the chart only for a maximum of 3 hours a day between those two sessions. But Leon, you're receiving the exact same alerts as me, so I'm pushing the alerts from that account that I have to your account. So if you don't see anything, that means there's nothing on my end either. All right, so right now we have a sell on DXY. And every other indices here is shooting in the upside right now. So we should get some good liquidity here in the market after the great news that we got. So even German is pushing it upside here. So we were bullish here since New York session here for German. That's the move that I was expecting, but fortunately, it started to reverse on us. But I'm bullish here on German 40. All right, so all right, so we're gonna close out the session here in a couple of minutes, guys. So I just wanted to do a quick live in regards to the interest rate, because that's what we were waiting for the last couple of months. And now we're seeing that because of the economy, because of the job market in the US that is really slowing down, the Fed needed to do some boosts here in the market so we could stimulate more flow in the market. And that's exactly what was done. So, but personally, I was expecting to have it cut more than 0.5%, a quarter of a percent. But maybe on the next round of FOMC, we should have a bigger amount of cuts here. All right. So that being said, guys, thank you so much for being in this quick last minute live. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I do have another session here tomorrow, New York session. So we should get some good setup here overall in the market. And yeah, we'll catch on on the next one, guys. Peace. Have a great one.